Hello everyone. Today we're going to start our series on the topic of DevOps. So today we are going to break down the whole process into the pieces so that you can understand the whole process and what all it takes into the all the stages of DevOps. DevOps is a blend of two worlds, development and operations. It's a set of practices and tools designed to increase an organization's ability to deliver applications and services faster and more efficiently. The DevOps lifecycle includes several phases: plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. Each phase plays a crucial role in delivering high quality software, so let us briefly explore each step. The planning phase is where the team plans the features and functionalities of the application. The next phase is the code phase, where the developers write the code for the application. So, in the build phase, the code is compiled into executable files. Moving on to the next test phase, where the automated tests are run to ensure the code is working and as expected. Release phase, the code is packaged and prepared for deployment. Next phase is the deployment phase. The application is deployed to production environments. The operate phase. The application is run and managed in production. Phase is the monitor phase. Performance and issues are monitored to ensure the application is running smoothly.